What's up, guys? Day 15 is the halfway mark, kind of, I think. 31 days, so I guess once this video's uploaded, that's the halfway mark. Oh, got a bee going after me. Yep, so it's about halfway done. I'm still, every day I feel like I'm just getting lucky, and I'm waiting for the day where I can't get it. Yesterday was pretty damn close to that. Today we're getting the boneless, that's it. My friend actually brought up to me that down there's a big quarter pipe and a bank next to it. So it would be a perfect spot to kind of, go off the side of the quarter pipe into the bank, get the feeling of it, instead of wiping out every time on a 6-foot ramp. So mess around with that. Maybe I'll do it into some disasters. We'll see how it goes. That thing's built for a boneless. I sneezed you today. Okay, there we go. I know that looked weird. I might have to slow-mo that. I feel like the board's leaving my feet. Gonna do a few more, try to get them like where I feel comfortable. Okay. Alright, one more, then we'll try to do it to disaster or something. I feel like this is one of those tricks you could break your deck on pretty easily. Hopefully it doesn't happen. Oh my God. Right in the kneecap. Oh my God. Yeah. That's hysterical. Feels like it's harder on like a smaller ramp for some reason. No scrape though. I'm not sure if I'm just that bad at it or if it's like harder to do on smaller tranny, but I cannot scrape that tail. Alright, gonna start off small and work my way up to the coping. Nope. Okay. Alright, gonna do 5 little ones and then we'll try to blast one. I think the trick is you kind of got to scrape it upwards and kind of, it's hard to explain, just push it up. Weird feeling though, but I'm gonna do one more, maybe 2 more clean ones until I feel like it's, comfortable, and then that's it, over the coping. I think we got it. That was the first stick. I guess doing it low over and over really helps. Not sure if I got over the coping though. Gonna try a couple more. Oh! Okay, right here. I was kind of up to the spine, into the head action. Trick kicks my ass, man, every time. Pretty hyped about that one though. That's a trick like I could do every day on the mini ramp in the middle of a line or something, so that's it. Just keep working at that one. But not today. I'll see you guys tomorrow, day number 16.